Since you're going to talk about the digestive system, it's really neat to know and see the outside and the inside of the digestive system. As you're teaching it, you can go to the Anatomage table to show them different ways that our food travels through our body, and the fly-throughs with Anatomage is a great way to do that. So you can go to your Anatomage table, pick a cadaver. Once you pick your cadaver, Victor will do it and Vicky will also do the fly-throughs. So you would choose the cadaver here. And then since we already have Victor settled, then you would go to the third section and choose the fly-through. Now I've already picked the digestive system, but they have other areas that you can use a fly-through. But for this instance, we're going to start with the digestive system and look at the esophagus and how the food goes through the esophagus on the inside and outside. So on my computer screen here, you will see on the left-hand side is the actual structures on the outside. And then the right-hand side is the inside of the structure and some buttons that you can use to play, fast forward, and move along. So I'm going to show you how this works, and I'm going to go and hit play.
Esophagus.
It will start at the top and go through, and as you see, it will show you with the red line where it's located on the outside, and then showing you on the inside of the esophagus, and it will call out the different sections.
Stomach.
Detailed view of the inside of the stomach, which is wonderful for the kids and students to see.
Duodenum.
So that is one section, and then we go to the small intestine.
Duodenum.
So after the food leaves the stomach, it goes into the small intestines, and this shows you the inside and the outside as well.
Duodenum.
The small intestine is around 22 foot, all bunched up together. So we're going to just fast forward through a whole bunch of this. I like the crosshairs on the left-hand side and how it will highlight the different structures. If you wanted to pause and show a pause here to talk about anything, you can do that as an instructor. I love doing this. It helps the students have question time or think, pair, share. You can also pause it here to do measurements or what about this session, and then you can start playing it again.
Jejunum.
All the way through, and then we have a large intestine
Anus.
section, and I'll show that one.
Ascending colon. Transverse colon.
I just love all the detail about this. It shows you the sizes, the measurements over on the left, and the names of where it is going through, and then the inside.
Descending colon.
So I'm going to fast forward through this.
Sigmoid colon. Anus.
Questions you may have, please reach out to me. There are other sections that I will be talking about. But this is the fly-throughs with a Victor in the Anatomage table. You can do this on cloud. You can also do it on the actual Anatomage table and get the students a larger view if you would like to do that. I also put these on Canvas and Moodle when I am going through the functions. It helps them to actually see a video of how the food goes through your body. So if you have any questions, just let me know.